Hello, welcome to another lesson of perspective. Today we're going to learn something about which is very interesting. I would like to say it is like what do you call um, something unique element when it comes to perspective, which is called as the super what do you call super realistic perspective. Okay, super realistic, surrealistic. You can also say like that because we are talking about 4 point perspective. Okay, 4 point perspective and a 5 point perspective. Yeah, I think that much is enough. Okay, so let's see a simple note. We will just check out what exactly it is. So we're going to start from, I'm going to talk about 5 point perspective. Okay, sorry, 4 point perspective. Okay, so okay, that's the line, horizon. We know two vanishing point we have put over here. In the 3 point perspective, previously we learned that we can put either on top or bottom, right? Either on ant side view or in bird's eye view, right? In here, we're going to use this both, like one will be here and one will be here. Yeah, let's say like that. And the idea is that the image will be skewed in the sense it will be like blown up. Okay, we will see some examples. Let's see. We'll start from a basic cube. Hmm? So I'm gonna draw one, maybe a normal view. So I will start from one edge over here. Okay, so there are some problems when it comes to 4 point perspective. No, not problems, like you can also call it as an advantage. The thing is that previously we used to construct something over here, then when you try to align it, right? Or because alignment comes in the later half once we decide where we want to put our stuff. But in here, we draw the framework at the first place. Like we will draw some lines like this. Okay, this is my way of doing, because it's very easy for us to understand. Like a globe we will draw, like latitude and longitude, you know the stuff, right? So just like that we draw it, and inside this we try to build our, this is a very rough sketch, so don't get carried away with this problems over here, but still I hope you got understand what I'm trying to say, because it will be like exactly like a globe. Okay, so inside the globe, referring to the orthogonal lines, we're going to construct the stuff. So since we already drawn like that, it's very easy for us to pick up the stuff and say I got one face of the cube, and the other face. So to draw the other face, what we have to do is that, or we have to refer to this guy, right? So maybe it will become something like that. The height base, it should be like this. So maybe start from here. See, this is how in 4 point perspective. This is not exactly like that, but I hope you understood what exactly it means. I hope you understood the gist, what it wants to convey. Like there will be full of lines and all this stuff. So you just pick out one line. It's aligned to this one, this aligned to this one, and this should be aligned to this one, and this should be aligned to this one. So this is simply what it is called as 4 point perspective. As you can see, you can simply see this is like very common when it comes to 360-degree cameras and all the stuff. When you can see like YouTubers post a lot of kind of videos like that, especially the bike person and those who dive, the parachute divers and all those people. They actually keep this kind of camera on their helmet and then they do it. So we can get an overall idea like that. So this is 4 point perspective. So on the next page, probably maybe I can show what exactly a 5 point perspective is. Okay. So in here, just starting the horizon, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now 5 point perspective, it's really advanced version of 4 point perspective, I would say. Obviously it is like that, but in here what I really want to say is that you will get another what do you call, a reference point, which is like very helpful if you are drawing an aerial shot of a city or something. We will see an example over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that one, simply just constructing that cage. 1 2 3 4. Oh, okay, sorry, I'm going out of line. I really should practice lines. Okay, now vice versa from here as well. Okay, I decided, okay, let's see, I will select this guy. Okay, it's very easy once you draw the orthogonal lines connecting all these 4 points. It is very easy. Now when I want to draw something, see, this is the top of a city. Okay, imagine that some paraglider is gliding on top of a city, and then you've been asked to picturize how we'll be seeing through his GoPro. So it's a 360-degree GoPro, or maybe 270, I don't know what is exact of that exact. So the fifth point, the thing is that all the buildings will be grounded, right? So it will like, so imagine that this is earth, so everything will be like all the continents are like mapped onto it, right? Just the same way in here, in 5-point perspective, whatever is coming onto here is mapped onto a center part, which is the fifth vanishing point. Okay, so it is 1 2 3 4, the fifth. I will show you what exactly it's like. Whatever you're drawing over here, the vertices should be connected to the fifth vanishing point. Okay, I'm going to take another guy over here as well. Same way, it should be connected to the fifth vanishing point. Now you can see like it is like coming out, right? It's like emerging from that point. So if I want to make these two guys as a building, what I can do is that I can refer to, say, buildings won't be coming from, buildings don't have an infinite length, right? So it has to hence end somewhere. So I take reference of these two, maybe a line like that and line like this, and I will get this edge and I will get this edge. From this edge I will connect to this one, and on this edge I will try to connect to this vanishing point. Yeah, I got the basement for the same building. So it should be in the same orthogonal lines, elsewhere it will be like one building over here and the other building on some other level. Okay, so so this is like one level. What if I want to draw a building which is like imagine that this is a point of view from a maybe a what do you call, paraglider. Okay, and some buildings are there which is like even higher than his current position, right, current trajectory. So what I will do is that I will make, in reference to this one, I will make, maybe I want to show that building over here, so I'll make another 2 lines like that, and maybe the 4th line, okay, like that. And what I will do, I will refer to this guy, and I will make a big circle, a big arc kind of structure from here to here. Okay, and I will make another one which is like from here to here. Okay, from here to here I made. So what I will do is that I will just simply connect it from this point till this point we got, and from this point this is going towards this direction, right? So from this point it should be like that to this vanishing point. Now you see one building which is like rising above every other stuff, and then I hope you understood what I am trying to say over here. Like one arc to see where this is going, so it will be coming like that and joining over here, and the other one which is like to this direction, right? So it will be like coming from here and then joining to here. Okay, I hope you understood, like two big arc, like one arc to see this the edge and the other arc from here to see where this will be coming. Okay, so once you complete it, so this is how you draw a skyscraper. be something like this. See, this is what is called as 5-point perspective. You don't have to worry about this until you face some questions. Like you can practice it. You can practice it a lot. But I will suggest you that this is like what do you call a very 360-degree camera or 270-degree camera. That kind of high level camera is what exactly will give you a visual treat like this. And in 4-point, when it comes to 4-point, we can normally call it as fisheye lens view. Okay, fisheye lens view also we can say. And also when you are looking through your peepholes on the front entrance, you can also refer to 4-point perspective or 5-point perspective. I suggest you can take 4-point perspective because it's much more easy. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is for 5-point perspective. I hope you understood. All the best.